All right, new details on a foiled plot that could have been a whole lot worse. A gun misfiring many times, possibly preventing a mass shooting. Trace has got that story coming up. Police in Fort Worth say they might have been dealing with the aftermath of a mass shooting at one fast food restaurant, if not for some heroic bystanders and the suspect's own gun. And the whole thing was caught on tape. Trace Gallagher's live in our West Coast newsroom with details. Hey, Trace.
Shannon, you talk about lucky. I mean, this is luckier than winning the lottery. This guy, Davidge Armstrong, believes that he got some divine intervention. Watch this, and you may agree. This is in a McDonald's in Fort Worth, Texas, right? The suspect's in there. You can see he's got a gun, points it up in the air. People start fleeing the restaurant. He goes over, and this is Davidge Armstrong. He's not just pointing the gun, Shannon. He's actually pulling the trigger again and again and again. He wrestles him up against her, gets away. Look at him reload now. Police actually zoomed in on this. He reloaded the gun, popped out the old magazine, new one, and he starts shooting again and again. Nothing comes out of the gun. Here he is, Davidge Armstrong again, shooting again and again. Armstrong and the others go into an office, and the suspect finally walks out. And guess what? He fires the gun outside. See the sparks? The gun works fine outside the restaurant. Here's Davidge Armstrong afterwards. Listen.
I had pulled myself inside of an office, the McDonald's office. I had pulled myself inside of there and closed the door, so I'm really not sure what he was doing. Like I say, I was waiting for bullets to come through the door. God, that's all it could be. Angel, somebody was looking over me.
Yeah, somebody was looking over him twice. The gun failed, and then it works outside. Fox Boston got an interview, a jailhouse interview with the suspect, whose name is Justin Joseph, who believed somebody was after him. Listen to this.
People are really after me, and I'm not losing my mind. I felt like people was trying to get me, man. Like my own family, I felt like my own family was trying to get me.
What do you mean get you?
Like kill me.
Yeah, by the way, he says he wasn't trying to kill anybody, Shannon, but if that gun had worked, he might have killed a lot of people in that McDonald's.
I gotta think that's divine intervention, Trace. Thank you so much.
Sure.